Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for all the makeup enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking you through a step-by-step makeup tutorial to achieve a flawless and stunning look. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup pro, this tutorial is for everyone. So let's get started. The first step to achieving a flawless makeup look is prepping the skin. Start by cleansing your face to remove any dirt and impurities. Then apply a moisturizer to hydrate your skin and create a smooth canvas for makeup application. Don't forget to use a primer to minimize pores and extend the longevity. Now it's time to apply foundation. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly. Use a beauty sponge or a foundation brush to blend the foundation evenly all over your face. Next, apply concealer to cover any blemishes, dark circles, or redness. Blend it seamlessly for a natural finish. To set your foundation and concealer in place, lightly dust some translucent powder all over your face. This will prevent your makeup from creasing and give you a matte finish. Well-groomed eyebrows frame the face and give you a polished look. Fill in your eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil or powder. Follow the natural shape of your brows and use short, feathery strokes for a more natural appearance. Let's move on to eye makeup. Start by applying a neutral eyeshadow as a base. Then define your crease with a slightly darker shade to add depth. For some extra glam, apply a shimmer shade on your eyelids. Don't forget to blend everything nicely for a seamless transition between colors. Time for eyeliner. Choose a gel or liquid eyeliner for a precise application. Create a thin line close to your lash line for a natural look, or go for a bold winged liner for a dramatic effect. Finish off with a few coats of mascara to make your lashes look long and voluminous. Adding some color to your cheeks can instantly brighten up your face. Apply a natural blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend it towards your temples. For a more sculpted look, use a contour powder or cream to define your cheekbones and jawline. Get that glowing goddess look with some highlighter. Apply it to the high points of your face, the cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the cupid's bow. For the final step, let's work on those lips. Choose a lip color that complements your overall look. Whether it's a nude shade or a bold red, apply it evenly to your lips and you're ready to go. And there you have it. A step-by-step makeup tutorial for a flawless look. Remember, makeup is all about experimenting and having fun, so feel free to add your personal touches to this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful.